This entire AI cartoon animation was made with completely free AI tools. Here's what we will create.
We've got this, Ember! Let's make this quick! This place, it's like something out of a dream.
Hey, we're not here to hurt you.
Let me show you how I made this entire animation from scratch. Not just the visuals, the full production pipeline. And once you understand that system, you can turn any idea into a fully structured animated film. To build something like this consistently, there are 6 essential components: a strong script, clear character designs, structured shot list, text-to-image prompts, image-to-video prompts, and dialogue for voice generation. These 6 components are the foundation, and I have condensed them into a simple 5-step workflow to make them easy to follow. Step 1 is generating the cinematic blueprint. Use this prompt template from the pinned comment below to create the entire blueprint in seconds. All you have to do is edit the project specifications and enter your story idea. For example, you could say, write a cinematic 3D animated adventure about a curious boy who befriends a baby dragon while exploring a mystical forest filled with hidden dangers and magical creatures. Then define theme, target age group, characters, story length, and mood. Copy the template, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate a complete cinematic story blueprint with a clear beginning, middle, and end, followed by detailed character descriptions. And that part is critical, because consistency starts with clarity. If your character descriptions are vague, your visuals will drift later. Next, I ask it to generate all the scenes. Instead of just giving me a script, it's structuring everything into individual shots. Each scene includes a visual description, dialogue, an image prompt, and even an animation prompt. This structured format makes it much easier to turn the idea into actual content. When you separate outputs like this, you get production-ready assets instead of raw text. Now that the dialogues are ready, it's time for step 2, adding voices. I will show you 2 fantastic options, one that's completely free and another widely used for studio-quality voices. Let me show you the final voice result first.
Okay, map says the temple is just up ahead. The Firestone?
First, the studio quality option, then the free method. Open 11 Labs and create an account. Head to the left panel and select text-to-speech. Copy the first dialogue from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. On the right panel, click Voices. Here you can preview voices and filter by language, accent, gender, or age. For example, let's select Adam. You can then choose your preferred model and hit Generate Speech. And that's the studio quality option. Now for the free and unlimited method to generate text-to-speech, ChatGPT can handle that for you. Simply go back to ChatGPT. Enter this line. Replace dialogue with your actual dialogue and hit Send. Right below your dialogue text, you will see some icons. Just click the 3 dots and hit Read Aloud.
Okay, map says the temple is just up ahead.
If you want to change the voice, on the bottom left, click your profile icon and select Settings. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the General tab, and under Voice, use the drop-down to pick a voice you like. ChatGPT will then use this voice to read your texts. You can also switch the language if you want. But there's a catch. There is no option to save the audio. For an easy workaround, open this Chrome extension, and you will need a Chrome browser for that. Now click Add to Chrome to install the extension. And don't forget to pin the extension for quick access later. To record your audio, switch back to your ChatGPT tab and click on the extension. Then hit Audio Capture to begin recording. Play the narration again, and the voiceover will get recorded.
Okay, map says the temple is just up ahead. The Firestone? I'm coming for you.
When finished, click the extension again and hit Stop and Save Recording to download the audio. Repeat this process for all the dialogues you want to convert into audio. And that's it. Now you know how to generate unlimited audio narrations for free. With voices ready, we can bring our characters to life visually.
I'm coming for you.
Step 3 is generating the images. Using the character descriptions, I generated front-facing reference images of the boy and baby dragon on a white background to ensure consistency across the project. With just these 2 images, let me show you what's possible. Here's the boy reading a map in the mountains, And here's the baby dragon in a rocky desert, perfectly consistent across scenes. Now imagine this, both characters meeting for the first time or exploring a blazing desert together. Every scene, visually cohesive and fully consistent. Let me show you this in action.
Whoa! What are you? A dragon?
The best part, you don't need Photoshop. You don't even need any drawing skills. Let me walk you through how it's done. I will be creating the scenes using Nano Banana Pro, which you can access directly inside Google Gemini. Just open Gemini, switch to thinking mode. Then select Create Image to access Nano Banana Pro. Click the plus icon and upload your reference images. First the boy, then the dragon. To generate each scene, we will use the prompts we created earlier in ChatGPT. Let me show you a few examples. Here's one scene with both characters exploring a cave. And here's another, the two of them battling mechanical creatures. I simply copied the prompt from ChatGPT, entered it as the image description, and specified the aspect ratio. Nano Banana then generates a perfectly consistent image in any environment you choose. Repeat this for every scene prompt. Generate your images and download them. And make sure to create at least 2 variations per scene so you have better options when creating the video. Now let's bring these images to life. In step 3, we will animate our images using Grok. Open Grok and click Imagine. These are the videos generated by the community. Upload a scene image. Then paste that scene's image-to-video prompt from ChatGPT. Choose the video duration, video resolution, and the video preset. Then hit Create. And here's the output with smooth motion and realistic sound effects. Repeat this process for all your images to animate the entire sequence, then download them. For the lip sync portion of this video, we will be using Latent Sync, a free and open-source lip sync tool developed by ByteDance. It's a powerful solution that you can install locally, allowing you to generate unlimited lip-synced videos without restrictions. For this tutorial, we will use latentsync.org. Once you are inside, you will notice that the interface is pretty straightforward. First, upload your original video in the Video Control section. Then upload the audio file you'd like to sync in the Audio Input section. Make sure the video and audio are the same length. Click Submit, and here is the
The
result.
Firestone? I'm coming for you.
Here's another one.
I'm starting to regret leaving my sunscreen at home.
Now, let me show you a super fast way using Grok's built-in lip sync. This one will blow your mind. Open Grok, click Imagine, and upload your image. Then enter your image-to-video prompt. This time, include the dialogues for each character exactly as they appear in ChatGPT. Hit Create, and here's the result.
Whoa! What are you?
A dragon.
It's insanely easy. The only catch, you can't choose a custom voice for your characters. Now the big question, which one is actually better? Here's a quick side-by-side comparison.
Whoa! What are you?
A dragon. Whoa! What are you? A dragon?
Comment below and tell me your pick. One important thing to remember, not every generation will be perfect. So here's a pro tip. Generate at least 2 versions of each scene. Compare them side by side and choose the one that feels more natural, more emotional, and more cinematic. Once done, save the best videos in a folder to keep them organized. And just like that, your images have now transformed into dynamic, talking, cinematic shots, all in just a few minutes. The final step is to bring everything together. I will use CapCut as it's free, but you can use any video editor you prefer. Click on Create Project, import your clips by dragging them into the left panel, then arrange them on the timeline in order and trim any unnecessary parts. Finally, click Export on the top right and download your video.
Whoa! What are you? A dragon? Guess I'm not in the mood for a normal hike anymore. This place, it's like something out of a dream.
Hey, we're not here to hurt you. We're just passing through.
We've got this, Ember. Let's make this quick. Ember, we need to work together.